Welcome back to ProgrammingLearn, your go-to channel for mastering Python programming. In today's video, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to download files using Python, whether you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the skills to automate file downloads like a pro. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by setting up our Python environment. We'll be using the wget library, a super simple and lightweight tool for downloading files from the internet with Python. This library wraps the powerful wget command line utility, letting you grab files like images, videos, or documents from any URL with just a few lines of code. It's cross-platform, so it works perfectly on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, making it ideal for automating your downloads. To get started, we need to install the wget library. Open your terminal or command prompt and run this command: pip install wget. Once you hit enter, Python will handle the installation, and you'll be ready to dive into coding in no time. Now that we've installed the wget library, let's jump into the code to download a file. First, we need to import the wget library by adding this line at the top of your Python script: import wget. This gives us access to all the functionality we need. Next, we'll set up the URL of the file we want to download. Let's store it in a variable called URL. For example, you can use any publicly accessible file URL, like an image or a PDF from the web. For this tutorial, I'll use a sample image URL, but you can replace it with any link you want. Here's the fun part: to download the file, we use the wget.download function. Simply pass the URL variable to it like this. This will download the file to your current working directory with its original name. Super easy, right? But what if you want to customize where the file is saved or its name? You can specify a path and file name as an optional second argument, like this. If you're on Windows, the path will look a bit different. For example, but since I'm using Linux, I'll continue with the Linux-style path. Let's put it all together in a quick example. I'll also add some error handling to make sure things go smoothly. For instance, we'll check if the URL is valid to avoid any crashes. Stay tuned, because we're about to see this in action. And there you have it. You've just learned how to download files using the wget library in Python. Now you can automate your file downloads like a true Python pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to Programming Learn for more awesome Python tips and tricks. Drop a comment below with any questions or let me know what Python topic you'd like me to cover next.